This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the World Through Tanvir Kazmi. I'm here to discuss some important news about this week when Donald Trump, with the new USA president, is trying to communicate to Putin, Russian president, and the Ukraine president for the peace of the world. And he said, and also I investigated, that 100,000 people has died. Many army men, both sides. It's a very, very painful news. And says how many, and think about 100,000 people, families are suffering. 100,000 families are crying for the children. Think about when we raise a child, how much time it takes. When a mother born a child, 9 months of pregnancy of pain, how much that pain is. And then both parents and their family and the grandparents, how many millions of hours, thousands of hours they spent to raise the child and spend their money to give them high education and give them all kind of 24/7 services, give them food, shelter, all kind of, so my child can become the best. And one blow, one bullet takes his life away, his or her life away. This is what you like? Do we want this for our children? That's what we don't like, our president to talk to each other. Why people feel bad about this? It's a very, very discouraging situation. Very sad for me when people don't like peaceful efforts. Why we like to? I understand we have religious differences. I understand we have some political reasons, differences. Even one house, we have differences in one house. Even children, you have children of a wife or husband or anybody, man or female or male to male. A lot of conflicts, a lot of differences happen. Even where you work in offices, we have difference of opinion. That does not mean we hate each other. We have to come together, and peace is the better. How many people got killed from hundreds from this 100 years? How many people are suffering? How many property got damaged? Think about you lose a child. Think about your father, mother, you lost your grandparents, how much pain you have. Every human has value. So let's not discourage any president or any person who's playing role to bring peace in the world. Be a human. Be a children of Adam and Eve. We are one family spread all over the world. I understand we have different religious differences. We can sit down together. We can share knowledge to come to a common place, become one family again. But peace is very important. If somebody got killed, that person is not ready to talk to peace to the other person who has killed the child. But there should be end of something. So let's support President about his peace efforts, and let's pray to God to unite us, entire world. Come to the path of God, united one nation, and we live peacefully. So let's come back. Let's not feel bad about any person who's playing any peaceful role. Anything has the businesses. If we're selling some of our, equipment or bombs, that's God has. Think about when we were created from our wombs of our mother, how much we had. A fresh milk suddenly came into the breast of our mother to feed us. The water comes from the sky free. We have not done anything. The ocean is full of water. We have done nothing for that. The vegetables, the trees, the animals giving us food. So do not go the route of the destruction and the devil, who is humanity. He is enemy of humanity. Let's come to the peace again. Let's support any person who brings humanity together. Let's come back to the peace. And slowly we'll learn, if we have religious differences, we can resolve through dialogue and sharing knowledge. If something was happened past and somebody did wrong, let that generation take care of that. Let God take justice on Judgment Day if somebody has done injustice to any nation. But it's our job to think about today and tomorrow, not about the past. What has gone is gone. We have to make the world peaceful again and loving, so we can live together as a family and dialogue. So let's support a person who's trying to bring peace. Let's be a positive person. Let's go back to the way we can God say God welcome us, come into the paradise, and with billions of years or trillions of years we will live in high palaces and all blessing. That can only be achieved when we live in peace and the boundaries set by God. He has the books, He has clear guidelines. When we talk to each other, we learn from each other. Let's support peace efforts. Take care. See you next time. Bye.